the two winning teams face off for victory. Sumo Sarah, number 2, in ring 1. And
Go! Heroic Heather.
in ring 2.
So like I'm totally gonna beat you.
I hate you right now. Okay. Alright, go! Okay, come closer. And look at them twirl. Down they go. Heather is on top.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, not even close.
You lose.
Heather, take your winning bow.
2.
And down goes Sarah again. Look at this really bad defeat.
10.
Let's go.
Stay down there. You lose.
You lose.
And
take your bow.
Thank you. Thank you.